In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT into Luna on KuCoin. This process involves a series of steps that will guide you from accessing the platform to completing your conversion successfully. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website. Ensure you are on the correct page, which features the KuCoin logo prominently at the top. This is where you will start your transaction. Next, locate the trade option on the main navigation menu. This is typically found near the top of the page. Clicking on trade will redirect you to the trading interface where various options are available. After that, you will see several trading options. Look for the convert button and click on it. This action takes you to the conversion interface, which is specifically designed for exchanging cryptocurrencies. Once this appears, select the market option within the conversion interface. This will allow you to specify the trading pairs available for conversion. Then click on the pay button to proceed. This step is essential as it confirms the currency you will be using for the conversion. Following this, click on Select Coin to choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to pick from various coins. Now click on USDT from the list. This selection indicates that you wish to convert your USDT to another cryptocurrency. Next, you will see an area labeled Receive Estimated. Click on this section to specify the amount of Luna you expect to receive from your conversion. Then find and click on Luna from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This action indicates that you want to convert your USDT into Luna specifically. Afterward, click on Select Coin again. This ensures you confirm your selection before proceeding with the amount entry. You will now need to type in the amount of USDT you wish to convert. Make sure to check the conversion limits and ensure you have sufficient balance in your account to complete this transaction. Finally, click on Convert to Luna to initiate the conversion process. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your transaction is being processed. If you would like to convert USDT to Luna on KuCoin yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. Following these links will provide direct access to the necessary pages. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.